Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can unlock application on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and if we want to unlock application, first of all we need to go to the application. We have logged on our Android mobile phone and we have to change the privacy setting. Here I have logged my Telegram application and my WhatsApp application, so I'm gonna open them. First I'm going to open my Telegram application, and here as you can see I have to enter my Telegram passcode or confirm my fingerprint to open this Telegram application. And I'm just going to use my fingerprint, and then we can go to the Telegram setting, click on the three lines, and then you can go to the settings and go to the privacy and security. And here you have to turn off the passcode lock. You have to disable this password or passcode lock. I'm just going to turn it off. We can click on turn passcode off and just click on turn off. Okay, and after that the application will be unlocked, and I'm going to check it. I'm going to open my Telegram, and as you can see I don't have to enter my passcode or confirm my fingerprint to open this application. And the second one, I'm going to open my WhatsApp because I have logged this WhatsApp application. I'm going to open it, and here as you can see I have to scan my fingerprint to open my WhatsApp, or I can also use pattern because I have set pattern, and I'm going to use my fingerprint. And then we can go to the WhatsApp setting by tapping on these three dots, and then go to settings and just go to the privacy setting. Same with Telegram, go to the privacy setting, and then we can scroll down until we find the app lock, and I'm going to disable it. I'm just going to click on the circle button to disable the app lock. Okay, and I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to open my WhatsApp. Then as you can see, the WhatsApp application has been unlocked. Okay guys, and that's how basically we can unlock application on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.